Good day. This is our video per module of our microcontroller based bike rack with security system and GPS tracking system. The first modules are the fingerprint scanner and the LCD. The fingerprint scanner is a module that scans the user's fingerprint. The LCD is a module that displays the status of the device. The proponent is unlocking rack slots from number 1 to 4. When a fingerprint has found a match, the LCD will show the rack slot number and welcome. The second modules are the keypad and LCD. The keypad is a module that inputs characters for pin code and rack slot registration and is part of the locking system, while the LCD is a module that displays the status of the device. When registering a new fingerprint, the user will have to press B and will have to enter the correct code before proceeding to register a new fingerprint. If the code is correct, the device will ask the user from what ID number the user will save a new fingerprint. The only ID numbers that are available are 1 to 4 because that's the only numbers of rack slots that are available. If the user inputs the incorrect code, the LCD will display wrong code. Our third module is the solenoid lock. It is an electronic lock that unlocks the bike on the rack. As the user unlocks all the rack slots, the fingerprint scanner will have to find a match for the solenoid lock to unlock the rack slot. The first tower with rack slots 1 and 2 have a waiting time of 15 seconds to lock again, and the second tower with rack slots 3 and 4 have 20 seconds to lock again. Our next module is the SW-18010P or our sensor in our bike rack. It is a module that detects vibration on the rack. Our next module is the SIM900A. It is a module that sends SMS notification to the user's phone. In this part, we see the user waits for the text message that is sent by the GSM module. Our next module is the alarm buzzer. It is a module that produces a sound when the sensor detects a 4 to 7 intensity level. This is Sinotrack Pro, and this will be our GPS tracking system of our device. This can be put under the saddle or on the side of the frame of the bike. The card slot is for the SIM card, and in order to make it work, after putting the SIM card, you just have to wait for 5 minutes for the yellow and blue light to just light up. It indicates the connection of GSM and GPS signal, and it is stable. Here we can see if we text the command for seeing the location of the GPS tracker's number, and after a few seconds, the GPS tracker will send a URL SMS for its current location.